Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pedro. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index and indicator and free indicator and strategy, how to trade successfully. If you are watching this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also like and comment on this video, and also I have my Telegram link in the video description for you to join and meet great experts trader like you. So today I'm going to explain to you how you can use this strategy to take a lot of trade and have a great day, how you can use this strategy to make a lot of money. So with this strategy now, you as you can see, I have my only window 1, I have my window 1, I only have my window 2. So this strategy only works on crash 1000 alone on 5-minute time frames. So this strategy, it only works on crash 1000 only. So it doesn't work for boom. All this boom and crash, they have their own different settings. But for crash 1000 on empty on 5-minute time frames, this is where it only works. As you can see now, let me show you how it works. With these settings now, you can have it on your chart also. This is my main chart and this is my window 1, this is my window 2, as you see that. So today I'm going to explain how this strategy will really help you to make a lot of money on crash 1000. So you can use this strategy to catch a spike, and you can also use it to sell up for long period of time. You see now, currently now, you can, as you see the market now, the market is ranging from this side, from this angle, and it was spiking down to this level. You can see what really make me to what I really need to understand about this strategy is that I have to confirm my first window, which is have to reach my 90 level period, 90 level here, and also on my second window I have to have the direct opposites to it. You see, this is it at this bottom of this side. So it have to be direct opposites, like let me show you what I really mean with this. You see now, if my first window is appear on the 10 level, my second window is going to be an opposite side. It's not going to be on the down, it's not going to be on the downside, it's going to be on the opposite side here, like this, on 5-minute time frame, if I'm going to take a sell. But if I'm going to take a spike, my window 1 is going to confirm on a 90-minute time frames, and when you check your window 2, is going to be on the opposite side, not same side, it's going to be on the opposite side. Now you see that. So if you are using it to take a spike, so let me explain to you how you can only use this strategy to make a lot of money every day. So now today, now I've shown you now. You see now, if you want to enter the market now, you can enter the market at this level, which is the 90 level. And when you check, when you confirm this window 1, yes, and also you need to confirm it in the second window, which is going to be having it at the bottom side of this level. So when the two indicator accurate now, then you can really enter the trade successfully. You see now, it really works. It works. And with this, you can easily take your you can easily catch your spike down to this level. And also let's check for more if it really works. You see now, but I want you to do something. When you are watching this video, I want you to zoom, I want you to hold your screen, and I want you to push this particular thing. You see, you know that you can control this thing, you know you can control it. I want you to push it back a little bit for you to have an accurate chart. You see now, like for this now, let me tell you the secret of the trade. You see, this is touching my 90 level, but it's a lie. The market only wants to deceive you. You see now, this also is touching my 10 level. If you are not very careful enough, you will have entered the market and unknown to the market that the market is still on a spike level. But if you move it forward now, you will discover that, you see now, it's deceiving it's deceiving you. That's how the market used to range, is deceiving you. So at this period now, if you just enter the market, because you see the market, if your screen is like this and you see it at the 10 level here, you quickly enter the market, you see it at the 10 level in the market, you quickly enter the market, you will see that you will have will have run lost because you want to take a sell. But if you show it, or if you move it forward and you discover that yes, this thing is deceiving you, so look for the one that you can move up to this 90%. They see now, like what you have here now. If you move it, from the back side, you will see that it still remain on that 90 level. When you are moving this video, when you are moving it, it still remain on the what, on the 90 level. So this is the kind of trade that you need to target every day. You see now, in this angle, you are going to what, you're going to check it from this angle, then confirm your opposite side on your window too now, then you can easily enter the market. And also let's check for another one that remain on the 90 level now. You see now, that remain on the 90 level now. You see now, this, all these are remain on my 10 level. They are on my 10 level, but they are deceiving me. You see now, you see that they quickly move up. So if we enter this kind of trade now, because you see that it reached my 10 level, the market will work against you. So you have to move it, check the one that is what is certain on this what, on this 10 level, like this. You see now, like this now, it's what, it sits on the what, on the 10 level. When you are moving it from the beginning to the end, it sits. So when you confirm that it sits on the 10 level, and you confirm on the second window that it's in opposite direction, when you put your, you see now, it's on the same page, which reach my what, which reach my 5 level here. So you need, the only two things you need to target is the first one, target your what, your 10 level. When you target your first level, then check for the second level, maybe it's on what, on 5 minutes, on 5 period. You see that? So when you confirm these two, then you can easily enter the trade, and with this you can trade for long time. You see now, when you reach your what, your 50 level here, you can take your what, you can take your profits. So that is how I do it every day, and I've really make a lot with this strategy. You see now, so check for another one, you see now, this up is what is deceiving you, and this area is the what is deceiving you, so if you really want to check it now, you see now, it is not accurate. So it's only deceiving you because it does not stay on that 9 when you are keeping on moving it. You see now, for example now, like this, and this another one here, it's what, it stay on the what, on the 90, it stay on the 10 level now. You see now, when you keep on moving it, it stay on the 9, on the what, on the 10 level. But when you check my second window, you see that my second window is not in what, it's not in 5 level. So this particular trade now, you have to leave it alone and let it work. And also, okay, check for another one that sits on my, you see now, this one now sits on my what, on my 90 level. And when you check the opposite direction, you see that you have your trade at the downside there. So now with this, now you can catch your spike with this thing, and with this now you will have made a lot of profit with it by catching up a spike like this. So what you only need to do is to first confirm it from your first window. When you confirm it from your first window, then check the opposite direction. When it is an opposite on move with this, then you can easily take your trade. You see now, but the first thing I ask you to do is to set up your window, which is you have to set it up like this. Zoom it from the beginning to the end. You see, move it from the edge to the what, to begin to the last one. Then when you see that it's on my, you see now, like this period now, when you keep on moving this period, it is not what, it is not moving, it remain on that 90 period. You see now, it remain on that 90 period. So when it remain on that 90 period, you confirm it from here. And also you check the window 2, which is in opposite direction with that window 1. Then you can easily enter your what, your spike for a day. So when you make your profit up to this 50 period now, you can easily take your what, your profit. So let me show you the settings of this video. So I have my oscillator. So in my oscillator, which is my window 1, I have the period to be 1 1 1. I have my price feed to be low high, and my method to be simple. Then you press on Okay, you have also the level. This is the level. Just screenshot it and have it. So you press on done. When you have press on done, you move to moving average 1, which is this. So screenshot it, press on done. Moving average 2, which is 2, press on done. Moving average 3, which is same settings, press on done. Then moving average 4, which is same settings, so press on done. Then you have to move to the second window, which is average true range. You have the period of 14 and you have the style of what of in green color, and I only have my 2 level there, which is my 5 and my 1.3. So with this, now you press on done. So by doing this, you will have it on your same setting, you will have it on your same chart like this. You have the setup like this on your screen. And also don't forget the first thing I asked you to do, adjust your your settings here like this, move it to this level. When you move it to this level, so any trade you want to take now, first confirm it, maybe it is truly, maybe it's not deceiving you or not. Like this, now how to know is like this. You see now it's not deceiving me because it's remain on that 90 when you keep on moving it for a long time. When you keep on moving in from beginning to the end of that 90, you see it still remain there. So by taking that trade now, that trade is what is best for you to take. And also if you keep on checking for others, now you see now this one are what they are deceiving. They are deceiving us because the market is what is ranging this particular time. When you keep on checking it, so the original trade there is what is exactly this, is this. So when you check it and it's opposite direction with your second window, and you also reach your 5 level here, then you can easily take your trade. So kindly subscribe to my channel, and you can also like and comment on this video how it has helped you, and you can also join my Telegram group to meet great trader like you. Thanks.